market is one of the best weekday night market on the Iceland. Everyone seems to love them. Thai teenagers more than everyone else. Every town in Thailand has a surprising amount of day shopping and eating playground, and they are always packed.
So in no surprise, there are now more than 9 night summer in Phuket. Chinwa Market Phuket also make smart use of them or modern container